Hello, my name is Tunde Kelani TK from Mainframe Productions of Pomulero. I wish to seize this opportunity to thank you all for your support and to wish you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance, and to let you know that this special Christmas season, our new film, Yepa, will be screened in Lagos at LTV, will be screened at Ikorodu, it will be for the public also at Abeokuta and Ibadan throughout this Christmas period. And also, it will be screened in many places over the new year. Also, I need to let you know that our Mainframe classes that you love will be available as Christmas presents, and will be available at our usual dealers. But on konga.com, if you just click and log on to the internet, this film will be delivered to you specially at home without any stress. Try it because it works. Let me close by wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous 2015. And we pray that the new year will bring you a lot of joy, happiness, and prosperity. Thank you all.